Rogers there, Rogers Voith. She's been a driver. She started out on the Westport. You know, we only had Westport, Linden, Carlos. Yeah, light skinned, and you kind of heavy set with a afro. Yeah, man. I thought that. I didn't know he had cancer. Yeah, he was smart. He was smart. It's just the alcohol. That's why he's probably not too much. That's why he had to start riding. Other than that, I never see what's on the first time I'm getting out. And I got to see what he looks like. I don't know too much about the plus and stuff, man. But last plus, he got this transfer. I said, no problem. I got you.
Okay, so I go to bed. And I'm sleeping, obviously. You text me. I was tired.
Yeah, I know. Oh my god, no. I really smelled like piss. I like piss because of me.
Oh, babe, it's not you. Someone would have said something to her. Like,
Yeah.
Basically, I'm sleeping, right? I have this dream. So Hannah and I, it's me and we're going to see Mamma Mia, like my high school version. Because Kennedy, and I can explain why I think all these things are happening in this dream. Because Kennedy and I are going to sleep. And Mamma Mia is like in this movie theater. So instead of like an auditorium, it's a movie theater, like where the seats like all the way back and whatever. We have assigned seating. And it's just me and him. And we go in and we sit. We sit next to these two boys, who are brothers. One's name is Matt and one's name is William. Okay? It's Matt, William, me, Hannah. That's how we sit. We're brothers. Matt is like a Latin baddie, that's how I would say. Matt is a Latin baddie, like he's hot, very dark features, whatever. While Will is Hannah and like Matt are like talking. And I'm like trying to flirt with William, but he's like he's not picking up on it. And I was like, whatever. And he's like, damn, like, what idiot. So then he puts his arm around me, and then like the seats, they're like movie theater seats, so we're laying back, like on his chest, whatever. And then all of a sudden, we're to see Hannah and Matt. And she's like, oh my god. Great. Yeah. And then Matt's like, okay, well, we gotta step it up. Like, okay. This is in the middle of the Peters Township High School Mamma Mia musical production. This is happening, okay? That's the setting of this. He takes it, we start like making out. In the middle of this musical, like this is a dream I had. Like you can tell how intoxicated I was from the dream that I was having. We leave and we get Instagram follow requests from Matt, and he's like a baddie Instagram, like Instagram influencer type baddie. And he follows us and he asks in a group chat with Will because him and Will brothers live. They're brothers. And he's like, hey, we need to do something like guys, let's do a double date tomorrow night. And me and Hannah are like, yeah, of course, but we have to go see our friends in a Mamma Mia Expo because they're putting it forward. And we're going with Sophia's parents. Do you guys want to come? And they're like, yeah, we'll come. It's at this bar. So we go to this bar, and Matt shows up, but William doesn't. And I was pissed. I was like, oh, okay, I guess that you don't want this. Whenever we're sitting, we're talking. William shows up, and he goes and sits next to my brother and doesn't talk to him. Playing it cool. I was like, and Matt get up and go to the bar. This is in a bar. While they're doing a Mamma Mia. They're doing like a Mamma Mia thing.
Hold on, it's
Who?
It's hello? That's what I'm saying. Oh, she was posting getting offers, bro. And she's like, I don't want to talk about anything. Then why are you posting this offer on your main account? Like, this is trying to...
Because she came here with me. But I'm just that's our
I'd probably be on this side of the road.
Yeah, I know. She roll on my bottle till the wine runs out. That's funny.
Yeah, exactly. And I'm just like, what is this? She's like, oh, like, I'm so sorry. And now he's like, oh, I'm not messing with it. Pick your battles.
because she gets in an elevator and goes downstairs.
Yeah.
And I run after her and I'm like, I get in the next elevator and go downstairs after her. Gilligan follows me. He's like, what is happening? I was like, your bitch ass brother is kissing another girl in front of Hannah. And I get downstairs and Hannah's crying. I'm like, what happened? She's like, I don't want to see him. And I go, no, it's right away. Go away. And I go,
Go back to your house.
he just,
I'm scared.
I know. And she was crying and she was freaking out. She's like, this is terrible. I'm like, no. It's okay. And then we leave and we end up, that's when I'm not coming back.
Yep.
But, go to get dinner another day. If Angel and her dad aren't actually coming, tell her to pick her up. Like, if something changed. Because we're hitting up that metal. Sorry, Dad, that you were so because if not, then yeah. Okay, good. They are? Yes.
Yeah, she got red hair. No, that's not her. Okay. I love my I love my I have my cross now. But however, last time I went on that day I did it, I could have sworn I was putting that all over here. Yeah, I went up to that trial up at Sam's Club. I was like, and then there was a crew that lived up down with just my project stuff. Each other, they used to turn up there. I said, tell me about it. I'm not gonna lie, I was gonna seriously think about taking that one. It was a late one. Came in at 406 and got off 122 in the morning, but the problem is, if I already know how to take the 40. I got to go home. That's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. Like I said, I'm getting That's what I'm saying. I'm going to prison for murder. I'm that close.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. Well, we're together 13 years. We don't mind why it is important. But, you know, I can't sit up and say I haven't learned that because I did learn a lot through this experience. I learned a very lot. I learned about survival. I did learn those two things. Like that. That's a project that works survival. Ah! Yeah. I tell you right now, what kind of ice cream is like that? You like vanilla? Oh yeah. Strawberry? That's about the ice cream. Yeah. That's not that we did already. It's ice cream. Okay, I got it. I think vanilla for sure. I'm a vanilla flavor. I can't either. I can't eat much. I'll go with jello. I'm trying not to do like unless it's wrong. That's supposed to be our going to. Stop. Sawmill with it because you got Walmart and all them other places. And it's around like now, the only reason why I don't like Dublin Metro is because even though I know it was on the weekend, but I got to find that run one day, and so I went to the Dublin Metro in the building. I understand it's out, let me use the bathroom, and I get up going about my business. He's like, told me straight up, flat out, fuck you. So after I left out, like, ever since then, I ain't like that one. I had it. Well, I could call it love that route before you take that route with the how about some so long, and a round trip is my limit. Like, I do that, I gotta go. Back in the old code, yeah, now, when we did too, now when we went from Graceland to Wyatt, no problem. Or Fountain Lane, no problem. Going to Reynoldsburg up to Crosswood, every Sunday. Sunday, that's how you have to do it. And then had to go in Graceland, and I ended up. On the way up there and on the way back. Had to go in Graceland. Had. Now, I like when we laid over in Graceland. We got to lay over in Graceland. Yeah. Love it. But they stopped us from going and didn't want us laying over there no more. I said, oh, God, this is